going on, y'all? So let's get into this tape-in install I did a few weeks ago. So this is my girl right here. This is her second install. The first install that we did, we used the kinky straight hair. Y'all, excuse my son in the back. I am tired of recording this, and he's just loud up in my skin. If you got a boy, you know what it is. Shh. But this is her second install. The first install that we used the kinky straight hair. This time we're using the body wave hair. The way I like to do my tape ins is I like to put the first tape on the top, and I just let the hair naturally catch what it's going to, the tape naturally catch what it's going to catch, and then I take my comb and just kind of press it in that tape a little bit. I don't use my fingers because your fingers can be oily and you don't want them to slide. You want them to stay. Once I press that in a little bit, I go ahead and add the tape to the bottom, and then once I finish my row, I go ahead and use my pliers to make the sandwich and switch them together. But I don't smush all the tapes together until I've completely finished the row. So that's just how I do mine. Of course, to each his own. There's no wrong way. Placement is everything, though. You don't want the tape too close to the scalp because you want it to have movement, to be up, down. So in between me doing the tapes, I always go back and double check and make sure that it moves freely and that you're able to get the most out of it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. My girl did come out flawless. Her boo thing, we're going to Jamaica, so I had to hook my girl up, but that's just the way I do it. So you see how I'm going right there and mushing the tapes in, because I don't do that to the end. Like, I do not go through into the end. I don't know why, but I just like to complete things. So that's just how I do my thing. But this tape-in install came out so cute. I love it, and I just love doing tapes. Like, this is the wave, y'all. This is the wave. But check that out. Look how beautiful. Look how when I add those curls in there, because she said she wanted her curls tight. So once I add those curls in there, it was going to be the bomb. But, I love the pony. When you pulling it up in that pony, I love it. To pull it up, when you can wear that bun, however you want to do it. Like, they're just so versatile to me. I don't like, and it's about to get, I'm in Houston, so of course it's been hot this summer, but it's about to get cool, and I am expecting to do so many of these. Like, I just love them. But my girl was ready for Jamaica. We didn't use too many because, again, you want your tapes to look natural always. But look how pretty that is. Like, and I actually love this hair, and her hair is very good in itself. Like, her natural hair pressed out is beautiful itself. But check that out. Then we added those curls, and my girl was ready. Yes, ma'am. So go ahead and subscribe, like, comment for a next video, for more videos. I need to be a little better with it. I'm going to start. And maybe next time my son won't be in my voiceover, but I'm not recording this again. Baby, y'all know life is life, and I'm a mother of 5. I'm tired of recording this, but my girl was beautiful. And until next time, peace out, y'all.